How to edit your Squarespace website 2025. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you've ever opened Squarespace website and stared at this screen thinking, how do I actually change stuff here? Then you're in the right place. I get it. Squarespace is known for being beginner friendly, but when you are in site editor for the first time, it gets overwhelming. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you step by step through how to edit your Squarespace website, from changing the text and images to rearranging sections, editing your mobile version, and making it look exactly how you want, all without needing to touch a single line of code. So let's get right into it. First things first, head over to squarespace.com and make sure that you're logged into your Squarespace dashboard. But since this is like a beginner-friendly video, so we're gonna start off by clicking on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, it leads you to step 1 of 2, which is to start off by tailoring some of the contents so your site can be adjusted the way by Squarespace already. Now we're gonna click on Finish, and it's gonna set things up. Now, to be able to start by creating your account, you can either continue off with Google or manually edit your credentials from email. We're going to use our Google account. It's going to take a while to set everything up on the dashboard. So now here we are right in here. We're going to start by editing our site information, our homepage, our pages, colors, and fonts, and head over to Next. We're going to choose a site title and brand personality. Your site title, for example, it can be anything as of now. We can definitely change it later. So let's just put it up as Blueprint AI. That's the first thing that jumped in my head. Then we're gonna add a little bit of personality, make it playful, sophisticated, friendly, bold, quirky, or innovative. We're gonna head over with innovative because we're gonna be working with an educational website that's gonna sell a few courses. All of this, keep in mind, all of this is AI generated. This is the basic one they're offering us. We can choose from different ones. Let's head over with this, and you can add in the sections. There's an introduction section, then there's going to be services sections, an appointment section, and an about section. You can also have a header, footer, forms, and so on and so forth. Let's head over to Next. Now it's time to add pages to your site. You can add pages like shop, course, contact, about, services, and appointments. I think we've already added in appointments on the homepage. We're not supposed to add a page, but let's just go ahead with this. Now you see, it's as I keep selecting options, the website keeps building in real time right here. Now we're going to click on Next, and we're going to select the theme colors that we want for a palette. This is super sleek and professional in my eyes, so I'm already loving this. But we can change that up by making it this specific color palette. I think it changes into blue now. Yeah, I did. Or we can head over with this. I like this one. But to keep it pretty sophisticated, we can stick with brown and click over Next. Next, it comes the option to choose your fonts. It's Roboto right now, but let's see if we can spice it up a little bit. I don't think this would go. Young Serif is still a bit better. Let's just stick with Roboto because I like how sleek it goes. Now we're gonna click on Finish. The basic credentials and the basic details, the fonts, color, the way you want to lay out your homepage, all of that is done right here by the AI. Made it super easy and super sleek for us to do it. So these markers are all basically your tools. Don't worry, you can 100% customize and re-edit all of this in the dashboard that we're going to head into. Let's take a moment for it to load. Now here is where the magic's gonna begin. We're in our Squarespace dashboard, and we're gonna see this menu onto the left hand side where it says the website. We're gonna click on Pages. So you're gonna make sure that in real time you're gonna see all the changes. These are all the basic foundations that we chose, and from here we are gonna work with editing in real time. These are all the markers. We're going to click on Edit, as we already did, on any of the section that you want to edit. For example, this one, we click on Edit, and we can take full control of that space. Let's just say I want to change a headline over here. I can edit the site header from here. I can add in different elements that I want to use. Maybe add in a social link, and maybe I want to remove the card from here and place it somewhere else. And as you can see, the card just disappeared from here. Maybe you want to add the card, but I also want to add an option to language switch. we can offer a multilingual site. For example, launch your website to a very global scale. So you're going to add into and head over to language settings. Let's just leave the website and we're going to choose from different regions. You get the idea of how customizable Squarespace is. We just literally have to click and type and choose. It's that easy. Now that the header and footer are done, if you want to adjust the font size or alignment, we can also work with that. Now from the header and footer stuff, let's click on edit again. This is the edit header. Header again, edit site header. From here, I want to edit the font size of this page. Let me quickly edit that up and change the way these are lined up. Once I'm done with it, I'm going to click on edit design. From here, I'm going to increase the link spacing, element spacing, even work with the color of the font, the borders, the height, the way all of these are presented. And I'm going to click on save. If I want to add in different elements or a different section that we already went through, you can do it from here. Now once you're done, and if you want to get back onto something that you did but you don't exactly like, you can simply click on back or move forward right here. Now we're going to click on save changes. Now once save changes is done, you also have an amazing liberty to edit the mobile section by clicking onto the mobile view here and click on edit design. So you have an idea of how your website is going to look like if somebody opens it up onto their mobile devices. You can change the color and the design and curate it as visceral to the way it shows up onto your phone. You can also add different sections, headers, and footers over here. Now, once all of it is done, you can simply click on save, exit, and apply. Now, another thing I want to show you is images. Now, let's move to images. To replace an image, all you have to do is hover over the image right here and do that until you see the pencil icon over here. For example, the product name. Click on edit and we're going to click on image. You can delete this image and click on add image, add section, and a menu box will open. Either you can upload the file or select from the library and add the product image and click on next. You can also set the price, the stock. You can click on unlimited stock, or you can, select how much stock is left. So you're going to automatically be notified when the stock is running low. You can also click on adding more details if you want to add in more product details, additional information like sizes. You want to know how it's on sale or if it isn't on sale, SKU, like the code of it. And also offer subscriptions for customers who are, buying it on repeated basis. And you can also offer them discounts. This is in the inventory. Now heading back over, click on save and head back over to the other section of the pages. These are all the different pages that we have. This is the category, store settings. You can fully customize it. You can move over to advanced, social, SEO, so on and so forth. Alright, so now that we're getting close to the end now, let's just say you're done editing. I mean, what I have edited is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm definitely sure people have way much more editing to do than just build this basis up. So once everything is done, you're going to click on preview, or like if you're already in the edit design, you're either going to click on preview over here. Take a good look at how your website looks like. If you're satisfied with it, head back over and click on done. Head back over to pages. And yeah, that's how your everything is going to be saved. If you want to publish it, you can head over to publishing it. Edit product. We're done with this. Let's move back. You can also directly, if it's like your first time going live, you'll need to connect a domain definitely, which is pretty straightforward. You can buy one directly through Squarespace or connect the one that you already own. But last thing is that you got to make sure to preview your site on both desktop and mobile, which you've already done ample time. And that's it. You've officially learned how to edit your entire Squarespace website, from content, layout to design and navigating it. So whether you're building a portfolio, a service page, or just an aesthetic space to showcase your brainchild and your creativity, Squarespace gives you all the control without needing a tech degree. I mean, spoiler alert, not all of us are software engineers or not all of us know how to code. So if this walkthrough helped, hit the like button, maybe subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want a full build on from scratch tutorial, or maybe a comparison between Squarespace and Webflow next. Thank you so much for watching.